Meaning of indistinct.
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 Indistinct. The term indistinct refers to something that is not clear or easily distinguishable. It suggests a lack of clarity or definition, often resulting in confusion or uncertainty. When something is indistinct, it can be challenging to make precise interpretations or judgments about it. Examples of things that could be described as indistinct might include murky water, blurry images, or ambiguous language. In short, the term indistinct implies a degree of obscurity or haziness that makes it difficult to perceive or comprehend something clearly.